Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you that how you can complete your production process. So for that, let us go to our production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, this is the list of my productions open. So as I have already created a production process, which is in WIP work in progress and the status is approved. Let me open this particular production order. Now, this is the production order where I have went ahead and consumed the raw material, and then after I have did the finished good testing as well. Always do remember that before completing the production process, please go ahead and do the finished good testing, as because after finished good testing the material or stock of item FG get added in your inventory. So in this particular production process I have already did the FG testing. Now what I need to do, on your right hand side very top corner you will see other action option. Click on this. Now here is an option of complete. So once you will click on complete, it will just provide you a notification that how much have been produced. If that is in red, please do check the production process. It might be possible that there must be some of the process or step must have been missed. So I will click on this yes option, and accordingly my production process will get completed. And if I go back to my production module, I will see that the status of production process isn't completed. Accordingly, you can change your status from here, and also you can check it in the completed segment. So if I go in the completed, please check these are all the production process which get completed. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in completing and closing the production process. Have a good day ahead.